1. Yo, what is up, guys? It's Pro Gamer with part 2 of the GTA video.
Hey.
And I am here with Austin and Colin. You may know them as Super Pack and Biohazard from the last video. So, we're going to be doing some bunker missions, and this video is going to be like a long video. It's probably going to be around 30 minutes long like the last one. So, guys, can we do my bunker now?
Dude, I need to do my bunker.
Dude, we did yours. We did yours last time. Come on, man, you can't do it twice.
Fine, do your bunker, but I'm staying in my bunker.
I'm staying in Austin's bunker.
Wow, you guys are all
I don't even know why I can't.
Well, fine. Austin, let's sell your stock then.
Okay, give me a second. Dude, get off my go-kart right now. You don't need that.
Go-kart.
Yo, let's have a go-kart battle. Yo, let's run everybody over.
They're for traveling. They're
Alright, fine.
going around here.
Well, I'm traveling.
I swear to God.
It's honestly slower.
I want to go.
Well, it's actually not. It's actually supposed to be slow, because you're not supposed to go fast in this bunker.
Wait, yo, Colin, let's have a go-kart. Let's have a bumper cars thing.
Oh,
no, I told you no, not in my bunker.
I wanna go on the go-kart, you know?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go on. I'm gonna be MLG Pro Gangster.
You can go on it, but just no bumper cars.
Wait, why did I get kicked out from the bunker? Are we doing a mission?
Cause
I see that.
We're doing a mission, probably.
I'm doing a resupply right now.
Yo, I found this huge. Yo, I found this huge vehicle with a machine gun. Oh, what? I can't ride it.
Yo, I wanna go back in.
That's mine. Sorry.
Yo,
wait,
can we be in like your wait? We should form a CEO again.
Get out. Get off.
I want to get in the machine gun part, so we can wreck some people.
Oh God!
Wait, it's not letting me in it.
What the heck?
Wait, Austin. Austin, wait, let us in there.
I can't.
Why?
I'm playing GTA.
I would have to invite you to my studio, and I can't right now because I'm doing this.
Wait, are you delivering those crates?
Yeah.
Wait, why are you doing it without us then?
I forgot to invite you to my studio. Cause you're already in your
I'm Marina.
Idiot.
Yo, Colin, I'm gonna invite you to my thing because Austin just did the supply mission without us.
I thought you already invited me to your motorcycle club.
I did. Here, join it. So, here, come inside my bunker.
No, I'm gonna stay in Austin's bunker. Or just go in this bunker.
No, you're not. You're going to Anthony's.
Yeah.
Why?
Just do it, man. It's fun.
I don't have a vehicle.
You're in his MC.
Yeah.
Not mine.
Well, then Austin, join Anthony's MC. What?
I can't. I'm doing a mission right now.
He's gonna join after his mission, Colin.
How do you know I'm doing after?
Bandit!
Cause come on, man. We did yours last time. Can you help me with mine? Besides, I really need a lot of value.
He's hyperactive towards new people.
I have a 25,000 value. Colin, wait, are you even in my bunker?
Dude, 25,000.
I don't know
You need to save it up.
in the first place.
You
I
need
think I'm in yours.
Did you say you have a value of 25,000
Anthony.
there right now?
Yeah, that's why I need you guys' help.
Yeah,
Dude,
I'm in your bunker.
Save it, you idiot.
What? Yeah, no, I'm
Hey,
saving
don't
it.
waste your money.
I'm not wasting. I'm just saving it up till I get like
Did you have
700,000.
an $84,000 thing? Cause
No. Yo, here, let's steal some supplies.
she's gonna be like, she's gonna be like Marina. Chill.
Hey, Marina.
Who is that in the background?
Oh, that's Bandit, and then the Darkuses are over for something.
Who?
Nothing on you.
Alan Darkus.
Why? Yo, Colin.
He is. I don't know. Something.
Yo, here, get in this. Oh,
Yo,
dude, that's gonna be.
Yep.
It's gonna be so weird.
I want to get in your Lamborghini. No, give me. Let me be in your Lamborghini.
That's gonna be so weird while we're like
Darkus.
recording a video.
Colin. Wait, Lamborghini. Yeah. Philip. Yep. Yo, Anthony.
What?
Mr. Darkus said you can't drive well.
Shut up. Tell him I said screw you. I can drive perfect.
You can drive perfect.
Look at this strong skill.
I bet you can drive like your mom.
This Lamborghini.
At least I have a mom,
Oh,
Austin.
GTA5.
I do. She's actually at my house right now.
Okay, put her on the mic. I'll say hi.
It's all the way on the other side.
She's watching a movie, so no way.
I'm kidding.
Yeah.
That's kind of weird that you would actually consider that.
Why'd you flip your car over, Anthony?
Cause I want to.
Dude, I'm gonna save up to get my Lambo back.
Why? So you could be cool like me?
Yeah, brother.
All right.
Yo, guess what I'm delivering this? To be next to a tattoo place.
Stupid NPC.
I have like 3 fidgets.
I just delivered it.
Yeah. Yeah, balancing on my fingers why.
Wait, guys, I'm gonna put my sunglasses on. I'm gonna put my sunglasses on right now. Dude,
That's kind of weird that you're playing a video game while wearing sunglasses.
Dude, I can see perfectly fine.
I think people that are obsessed with Rubik's cubes will play video games while doing a Rubik's cube.
That's kind of crazy and weird.
Oh, it's in the toilet.
How could you play a video game while doing a Rubik's cube?
Yeah.
You understand that, Anthony?
Yeah. So I was in the bus stop. I spun it. I went. It was on my finger, then it fell, and that cat thing went in the tube. I tried to catch it and I failed. The cat. Yeah. All the bearings are there. Oh wow, Anthony, your driving is not good, dude.
Dude, that's because I'm trying to get somewhere fast.
Dude, someone invited me to the bunker. Dude, Undertake just invited me to their bunker.
It's a Lamborghini, I don't know why.
Because his Lamborghini is smashed up and that Camaro is not.
Ooh.
Yeah. That's Anthony Phillips driving that Lamborghini.
Did you get a little roasted? By an adult? Dude, 160,000 from selling that. Because apparently, when there's a lot of people in the server with like CEOs or MCs, you can get high bonus.
I don't think you will.
Anthony, did you just hear a freaking thing I said? Anthony!
What? Yeah?
Did you hear a thing I said?
Huh.
What?
Yeah.
Did you hear what I said?
Yeah. I bet no.
Wait, Anthony, are you gonna go full speed?
So what's going on with Grand Theft Auto 5 is it depends on how many people are like MC or CEO.
Oh shoot.
And it depends on how many there are in a server. And
I'm in his motorcycle club. It's called Money Quitters.
Hey!
Boss name.
You can get a high value bonus for it. So like I just.
Oh, you can't go to jail in GTA5. You can get killed by the cops, but you can't go to jail. You can get shot by the cops.
Yo, Colin, you want to see something sick? Watch this.
I wish they would serious. Dude, I wish.
Wait, what, Anthony?
I just ran someone over and didn't get the cops on me. Watch. See?
Yeah, I did. You have to do it like a lot of times to get the cops on you.
Hey, Colin,
No.
did you see my
Yeah, I did it like 12
Visa
times
yet?
and I got the cops on me 1 star.
Yo, you want to see me run this person over?
What?
Good.
Okay.
Yeah. He's trying to drive without getting killed because I have like 2 pages of people in this game. You can fit up to 30 people in the game. I'm glad I have this wired so that I don't lose connection. No, because when I didn't have this wired, it used to always say, oh, you
Dude, shut up.
under network area.
Oh.
Who, me?
You there? Okay, they're
No,
almost
me.
on you.
Because I told Darkus he sucked with his Lamborghini. Like driving.
Dude, I'm getting my Lambo back.
Cool.
It cost $751,000.
Yo, shoot him! Dang it, why did my guy pull out his pistol? That's so...
Forgot my gun.
How do you forget a gun? It's kind of weird.
Yeah.
Yo, Colin, you want to get...
All the way down by
Wait, where are you?
Yo, Colin, you want to get in one of these really good vehicles?
Yeah, where's your Lambo?
No, get in this huge vehicle.
Go to me, because I don't know where you are.
How many people raise their hands on the school board?
Here, get in here, and I
You're
need
supposed
to...
to take notes on that.
Where are you at? Oh, you get in.
Yeah! you
Hurry,
got it.
get in.
Alright, I'm in.
You-
I'm gonna go in the pack.
Yeah, get on the top and start shooting all of them.
Oh, the top? Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Oh, I'm in there. Yeah? Yeah? Oh.
We gotta go steal those supplies. Let's do this.
Cool.
I told you it's fun. My CEO is fun.
Wait, from when the guy's driving it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, I need you to shoot these guys. Shoot them. Shoot the guys in the trucks.
I'm just gonna shoot the truck. I don't really know where to shoot.
Shoot the driver.
Oh, wait. Don't move!
Shoot the driver. Or shoot the wheels. Shoot the wheels. Did you shoot the wheels?
Wait. Trying to shoot the wheels as good as I can.
They're going fast. Here, pop their tires. Pop their tires.
I know. Yeah, you need to go to a school board.
Here, shoot them. Colin, shoot them.
Where are they?
Right there. Shoot their tires.
Alright, give me a second. I need like good aim. Dang it. I really suck at aiming, to be honest with you. Okay, we both suck at something. You suck at driving, I suck at aiming.
Dude, I'm driving.
Your Lambo, I mean. I don't care about this.
Here, shoot them. Shoot the wheels. Shoot the driver.
As low as I can go. As low as I can go.
Shoot the driver. Just shoot the driver. Did you kill?
Oh,
Okay.
I think I shot him.
Alright, you did.
Recording?
Yeah.
Let's go, I think I shot him.
Kill that driver.
No, I kind of
Shoot them. No, right there. Right there behind you. Shoot. No, them.
Oh, behind me. Wait.
Shoot them.
Got him.
Alright, we gotta get in those vehicles now. Here, get on those vehicles. Get in one of these vehicles and drive it down to the bunker.
Yo, I need to shoot him. Oh, wait. No, I need to go.
Here, let's go.
I need to go before I die. Okay, before I die, I need to go. Dude, you need to, like...
You shouldn't
There we
be
go.
able. It's an insurgent. You shouldn't be able to die.
No, the guy was shooting me. So...
Hey guys, I'll be right back. I gotta reset my Xbox real quick.
Okay.
Yo, watch out for
Yeah, bitch.
online players. They might try to kill us.
Why? Oh.
I don't know, but just watch out. Because online players try to steal our supplies.
There should be a GTA drama alert. No, I'm trying to play this marina. Gotta drive and get the supplies.
Yo, that person sucks.
Are you like way in front of me?
Oh no.
Yeah, I see like blue thing with bullets changing to a car.
Yeah, I think that's me. Maybe. I don't know.
Alright, I'm in.
If we get these, I think we get like a lot of money. Have it connected.
Oh no, he's restarting his Xbox. Because something's not working or something like that. Hold intermission for him, kids. Kids, hold permission. Intermission. Actually, I don't think you're in front of me. At the same time, I think I did. Yeah, because I see the arrow. That's why I don't think so.
You're right behind me.
Oh yeah, okay, that's good. I remember I saw this video once. This guy playing a Bruno Mars song with only 24 carats. You can probably guess from there what it was.
Oh shoot, that is so really bad.
You don't parallel park in GTA5.
Oh dude, we're definitely delivering these. Like, unless someone gets a Hydra and blows us up, then we're definitely delivering these. And by the looks of it, I don't think anybody has a Hydra. I think they might, maybe.
Kill yourself. Oh, that was a good crash. Chain effect.
What the hell?
I just did like a chain effect crash. So I crashed into one guy's back bumper, and then he like haywired and he crashed into another car. Pretty snazzy. Uh-oh, someone's coming for me. I better run.
Drive, definitely drive.
I'm in full throttle, dude. We're trying to get away from people and then deliver stuff in the bunker, and he's trying to jump onto them.
I'm just driving to the bunker so I can deliver these supplies. Oh, I thought you meant like an
I'm gonna follow you before I get killed here. I don't know, something like that.
If you see a red circle, just like keep driving. Just don't worry about them.
I know. That's what I've been trying to do.
Right there next to the bunker. Yeah, dude, we definitely have this in the bag.
Yeah, we do, boy.
Hidden Valley.
Do it.
Same council.
Alright, I'm gonna go just slow for the turn, you know? There we go. I suck at turns, I have to go slow. What?
And then when you go to 3/4 of the way down, it says Bigger Guide. You click on that.
What? Marina? Job for you. This is why summer break's good. Oh, savage.
Yeah, and then
We can't because these are like bunker vehicles, and I'll probably just get killed. You're not supposed to get killed. That's the point here, Colin. You're not supposed to get killed. Oh wait. Oh.
Don't fall either. If you go into water, you think you lose or something.
I know. I'm not gonna fall. Colin D's trying to triple dog dare me to do it. So
No. Colin, shut up.
I'm not gonna do it. Chill. I'm just gonna drive another vehicle.
Oh
No,
yeah, so
yeah.
what the heck? Are you like
Is he triple
now?
dog dare me to fly that
dude,
into water?
I got my dinner.
I'm supposed to deliver supplies in that.
Dude,
You can if you want to.
You just ate your dinner now. Wait, what? No.
I just
Wait, you
got
just
my
ate
dinner.
You just got your dinner, Austin.
What the heck? I ate dinner at like 5.
Didn't you eat dinner at your birthday party?
No, we ate lunch at like 2 o'clock.
Colin, you here?
Yeah,
And then we
I
had
got like
dude,
4 gunshot wounds on my back, 2 on my arm.
Because we had,
Yo, we gotta resupply again.
dude, so we had lunch at like 2 o'clock. Then we had cake at like 3 o'clock.
I don't know how to like restore that. That's the thing.
Yo, we gotta
What?
sell the stock.
Wait, restore? What are you talking about? Restore what?
Yo, Austin,
Dude,
you wanna help us
Andy, I
sell
got-
some?
Yeah, I got like 4 gunshot wounds on my back.
Cool. Yo, Austin, you wanna help us sell a 45,000 stock?
Oh wait, I'm not dead.
45,000?
Yeah.
Oh man.
I want to, but like, I'm at 30,000, like,
I'm
but it won't let me resupply. Oh yeah, well,
We're trying to
now
get
it
away
will.
from
Because
Go
you're
into the
full
bunker.
on supplies.
Oh no, I'm not anymore. I just had a
Yo,
wheel
I'm not,
on.
man, I was gonna go to the go-karts and I'll be like, wee, there's go-karts in our bunker.
Yeah, good cards are fun.
No, you had to
Yeah.
pay for the go-karts.
What?
You have to pay for those
Here we go.
go-karts. That-
One,
those-
you can have
dude,
go-karts in
wait.
your
Your
bunker.
supplies are
Here, call it
Trash. Alright, I'm coming.
Colin, Anthony, listen. If you buy the go-kart, the carts that I have, they cost like $120,000.
Alright, let's go.
Let's do this. Yeah.
Hey,
There
Colin,
actually is a door. That's the door.
Colin,
That's how
Anthony,
Lamborghinis work. What? What?
have you ever heard of a game called Firewatch?
What?
Firewatch?
No, I want to get it. And it sounds fun to me. Like Firewatch, that sounds like a good title.
So it's about two teenagers and a guy who smoke you. So like it'll start like on a tutorial. It'll start not like a tutorial, but like a showcase. It'll tell you what's going on. He meets this girl, but he goes to a washroom. This guy, and I'm just giving you like an overview of what I've been.
Oh no, I got 4 gunshots, 1 on my back, 2 on my arm, now on my leg.
Hey, you got 15 minutes.
Yeah, I was telling Marina something.
So, Firewatch is like.
Get out of here, stupid car.
Wait, what?
If he will shut his mouth, I can talk to you. So, Colin.
Yeah?
So it kind of all starts on day 1 when there are these 2 teenagers who start setting off fireworks that's illegal in the park because supposedly they're drunk because they drank half a bottle of whiskey and a lot of beers and they're like in the lake, and so I told them, and then I saw a guy up on the rock. You'll see a guy up on the rock when you're going back to the canyon. You'll see a guy on top of the rock, and you'll go back to your base, so you'll hear the storm and all, and he mugs you. Like, he rips the place apart. He breaks your window and everything. But then the next day...
Your door on the Lamborghini.
I'm not talking.
Yeah, I lost mine. Also, nobody wants to hear your NPTV cribs.
Because Anthony is just being, it's just
Yeah, the headphones. You can hear on the roll-off headphones to communicate.
Colin, I can't tell you.
What?
I can't tell you.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Firewatch is a copyright of Overwatch. Just fire instead of over.
No, Firewatch has nothing to do with that.
They stole the title. Really, like Firewatch, Overwatch, it's pretty much like almost the same thing.
There's no vehicles that are bulletproof, but I have a good motorcycle. I have a cool swaggy motorcycle. Oh, you have to find them on the street.
Colin?
Yeah, or... Okay.
Colin, oh my god, answer me!
Well,
We don't want to answer.
I could, I'm just telling you that. Because Anthony won't let me tell you.
Yeah. You sank my battleship? Okay, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's not fun.
Why are you guys playing Battleship? Or the middle of a GTA?
The shirt says you sunk my battleship.
Wow. That's so...
Alright. Where am I again? Let me see what
Okay, can you
play
invite me to your server?
Alright, here you go. Oh wait, I'm gonna hook you with the charger really quick because it's on low battery.
Anthony, can you invite me to your server?
Colin, can you invite him to the server?
Why don't you, Anthony?
I can't, I'm in the middle of a mission. Nuh-uh, is this whole plane the whole thing?
$6 battery.
The heck?
That's my town. Alright, I'll invite you off. Give me a second.
Dude, get your machine gun out. Help me, Colin.
Alright, you have 3 stars. We don't have a Lamborghini right now. What are we going to do? Yo, I'm gonna get a jet. I'm gonna get a jet. And I'm gonna fly this jet out.
Dang it. No, Colin, I need your help. Help
Wait, I'm
me.
gonna get the jet.
Why don't you look up on YouTube?
Just help me out here. Just kill all the cops.
I'm trying to get you first, so I can help you.
How to make your
I'm gonna find a freaking good aircraft.
Oh, I wish I had
I'm
seen.
trying. How fast I can run, Colin.
Hey, Anthony, will you be on tomorrow?
I better be able to get on this.
Anthony.
Colin, help me. This random guy's trying to steal it.
Dude, I'm trying to like get in the aircraft vehicle. Crap.
Anthony, will you be on?
Around me.
I'm not allowed to talk currently.
Oh, I see a car. Oh wait, that's not a car.
Anthony.
Is that a sec? No, that holds the things together.
Anthony.
I'm trying, Colin. This is how fast I can run. Don't see that.
Anthony.
Why, Austin? Thank God.
If you actually say something, I can actually ask.
Whoa!
Will you be on?
This
doing
is
the best I
sick.
can, Colin. Chill. Maybe I want to try to like climb up on the wing and go.
Anthony, will you be on tomorrow?
Dang it.
Okay, I'm not playing.
I don't know.
Questions now.
Oh, I said
I'm
that.
trying to. Dang it! Alright, I'm trying to let him kill him. Okay, I have a better idea. I'm trying to kill him. Oh, never.
Yo, Colin, you gotta pick me up.
I have no vehicles around me.
And he just died.
That's someone else's vehicle, Colin. I can't. It's not my vehicle. I can try.
Lionelin.
I can if the guys will stop shooting.
There's like nothing that sounds
No, you gotta
good, man.
find a helicopter.
Alright, I'll try when the guys can like shoot me or not. I'll go try right now. Ooh, I found some trucks. I'll just take those. Yo, dude, I found the Lamborghini. I'm coming for you. Oh wait, it's not mine, that's right.
Dude, I need your help. I'm dying
Dude,
over
I have
here.
a gunshot wound on my head. That's funny. Alright, Anthony, where are you?
I'm over here dying. You need to shoot these cops for me.
Dude, Anthony, come
Get in
down.
the car, get in the car.
I can't. You have to get one of the special trucks, or I can't do anything.
Dude, I'm in your Lamborghini, dude.
You gotta get a special truck that flatbeds. I can't get in the Lamborghini. I tried. Alright, I can't do anything with this stupid helicopter.
Alright, bye-bye. Die to halt! No, I'm gonna die. There you go.
Colin, you gotta drive a flatbed.
I'm trying, I don't know where the freaking flatbed is. I don't know where they are. I died as soon as I got into that army truck. I died. We are not gonna get like the new start as long as the top of the year. How transport the supplies?
Did you
to
try
flatbed?
Lester?
Dude, I tried less than 3 times. He doesn't call.
Colin, I need your help. I'm about to be dead. The trucks are right there.
I'm trying to. Wait, dang it! Where are the freaking bombs? I can't find them. And I'm trying to run for my life too. I'm trying to find where I exactly had them.
Dude, I need you to drive this. I can't do it.
Where are you? As fast as I can run.
Over here. I need your help fast. I'm about to die.
Same here.
Drive it. Drive it.
Dad. Drive that truck, please.
Yes, drive it, please.
Yes, Anthony, I've never seen you.
Where are you?
I'm right here. Just drive it, quick. Get in.
Alright, you kill him.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna do whatever I'm gonna do.
Drive it.
I know, this is the flatbed truck. That's what I was gonna go in except it was an army truck.
Hurry. Go. Go, go, go.
Oh. You sure you're gonna stay on?
Yes, I can stay on. I can stay on. Go. Come on.
Hey,
Do
I've
that.
never driven a flatbed before. Don't shoot me.
Drive to the bunker. Go.
Yo, hey, Colin.
No, don't drive that way. The other way. I'm gonna die.
Second. I don't ever really... Oh, but wait, who's
Colin.
over there? Give me a second.
Come on, I'm about to
Hey,
die.
Colin.
What? Wait, awesome. You call me that?
Yeah, I see that when I
And what do you want to be when you grow up?
a truck driver.
Why?
Why?
Cause you get to go all around.
No, you
the
gotta do
world.
Jeffy style, Anthony. You gotta do Jeffy style. Why?
Alright, we might be good.
You could.
I'm trying to charge up on.
We could. You get to travel all around the world and everything. You get to make like $1,000 to take home.
You make thousands of dollars just driving a truck around the road.
Yeah. Once you deliver a trailer, you can get like up to $5,000, but you have to pay your.
You have to go to college to be a truck driver.
Yeah.
Oh, you do?
And you gotta get your CDL. You gotta actually be taught by an experienced truck driver.
Dude, driving a truck, you need to get a driver's license.
No, you need a CDL too.
Why? Oh, sorry.
Because to drive a truck. My dad didn't need a CDL just to drive a truck because he works for building
I'm sorry.
schools. Okay, just stop with that accent. It's really annoying right now.
It's Jeffy. Don't like disrupt us, okay? Yeah, what I was gonna paint with Austin is I was gonna have like they have pre-recorded voices for this pranking thing, and I was gonna have Austin say stop calling my number. Stop calling my number. Yeah, so Anthony's shooting the turret machine gun thing, and I'm driving that flatbed.
I know, Christopher.
What is your brother still trying to like? Is he still trying to like get on the Xbox?
No, he
You only get 45 minutes a day on the Xbox. Maybe even an hour.
He gets like 2-3 hours.
Yeah, he's on mine like majority of the day.
Yeah, why does he get more?
Yeah, get it. It's like, I don't know how much it is. I got my digital. What?
Yeah, Anthony, how come you get less time to play online than he does?
Well, there's not that
you
much
know what?
blood. Only time there's blood is if you get a gunshot
Pissing me
wound
off.
or shoot someone else. There's not really any other blood thing.
They're trying to come out.
Not really that much. I know it's a mature rating and all, but it's not. It's more of a teen rating. GTA looks like more the teen rating side than the mature rating side, to be honest with you. Halo's a teen, like, yeah. Yeah, Halo's a teen.
Dude, this minigun is sick.
I know, it looks pretty cool.
It is awesome. I got this awesome suit. I got this
Shooting all
sheet.
them police officers. Police stars, let's go. Got 3 stars because you tried to like I also crashed his Lamborghini by accident because when I got off it kept going, and then when I kept going it like went super far.
God,
I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna go
One
like
of those
this.
helicopters. Where they at?
There we go. Take the shortcut. Take a little bit of a shortcut. Boing. Oh, no. We are going to die. All I can
No, we're not. We're not gonna die. I got this
We're on
minigun.
like minimum health as of now. That's absolutely. Dude, my question is how we're getting a meat. My question.
Oh shoot! We almost died.
Yeah, I'm almost dead. Like, we got 2 more miles to go. 2.59. But
It's not that far.
yeah.
Oh,
I'm trying to get away from the police officer
crap.
trying to crash.
This is sick.
Die. You guys just ran over a police officer. Oh no, everyone's trying to shoot me or Anthony. That's pretty much really stupid. Oh, they will. You can still get them. If we're shooting them, you can still get them. You can still get shooting. Die. So you know how this is happening? Here we go. Die. When they get out, they're just gonna get a jolt of me. Oh, hell, he made. Oh wait, that's it's the flame of fire.
What's shooting?
Good
Yo,
shooting,
this
Mr.
this
Anthony.
video is sick.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
This
Post
is gonna
it
be
on
a
your
real
gamer
long
channel. Oh wait, I have to like make sure I can. This is gonna be bad. Alright, this is gonna be pretty bad. I'm trying to get out of this joint. I'm trying to get out of this thing right now. Die! Oh wow. These police officers here are stupid. Well, we are in deep trouble. We're in our bunker. They can't get into our bunker. It's legal to get into our bunker, so I think they can't get into our bunker as of now. Like pretty much. Working out. Austin, I don't know where Austin is. Austin, are you on your server or not?
I am. I'm just resupplying my workshop.
Me and Anthony are trying to run away from the cops.
Well, I got no cops.
Oh, I can't shoot because if I do,
We have three stars. I'm trying to get that out. There you go. Shoot them, Anthony. Shoot him. We're like savages.
Dude, we are just wrecking and destroying the car.
We are straight 24K savages.
Dude, I could totally get used to this kind of power. I am so
I like it.
I can't wait till I get a minigun.
Alright, go through here. Hey, I'm trying to crash all the cops. That's what I'm good at.
I love how they say stop the vehicle.
Because we're getting chased by the cops. I don't know. Like 10,000 feet away. I don't know. We have like 0.
on your bottom left. Bottom.
0.48 miles left. And we gotta do it. Kill yourself.
No, sorry.
Oh.
I shoved him in the water.
Colin,
Dude, I was driving. I got him in the water. I'm crashing.
okay, I'm gonna leave the party.
No, I shot the back of his wheel and he got flying.
Dude, get in the truck. You're gonna fall.
Yeah, I know. I was about to fall
So
off.
I'm crasher. You're sniper lost. That's the new.
Oh, I think you went the wrong way. Yeah, you're going the wrong way.
Alright, I'm gonna try to go as quick as I can. Alright, I'm gonna go as
you
fast as I
guys,
can.
we
are going to die.
You have to keep going.
No.
Yeah, we're trying to like reverse. It's kind of hard when you're on a hill to reverse.
You know what I
flat
want to
surface.
get?
Yeah,
I want to get a Kuma.
Oh, we're close. We're almost there.
Hey Anthony, do you have a Kuruma?
I want a Kuruma.
Yeah,
Anthony,
no.
Oh, we're here.
Ah! This is sick.
Wait, what the heck?
Yo, I fell through the vehicle and I ran in.
Dude, we pretty much like, I'm gonna get out of this.
We destroyed
I am
them.
just gonna get out of here.
Well, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Pro Gamer. And I will put
the whole time about this. This is all on video. Gonna go.
I will put Super Pack and Colin's channels in the description below. Peace and see you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.